Good Joshua.
Good afternoon, sir.
We have three questions for you today. First is, what do you like the most about the place that you are representing?
Well, what I like the most about Consolacion is that you don't have to go to the city because what you are looking for in the city can now be found in our municipality. And actually, we have two big malls in Consolacion. And one of the reasons why I'm very proud of my municipality is that we have already college in Consolacion. And one of the reasons why many people go to Consolacion is because of our festival, what we call Sarok Festival. And the main attraction of the Sarok Festival is street dancing and dancing. Sarok is a hat made of bamboo strips and dried banana leaves. In history, farmers used it in order to protect them from direct sunlight and rain.
Can you tell us something about your funniest dating experience?
Well, my funniest dating experience that is when I'm dating with my girlfriend and biglang sumakit yung siyang ko, tapos napaka-awkward sabihin. Kaya yun, hinigilan ko na lang hanggang sa matapos yung date namin.
If you would be a king for a day, what's the first thing that you would do?
Well, if I'm going to be a king on a day, I'm going to support all the schools in this country because I do believe that in supporting schools in this country, we can have a good quality education. And I do believe that education is one of the most important things in our lives and it is one of the foundation of every person. And let me leave you a message that dedication. So once again, this is Christopher Joshua Ibanez representing Consolacion Cebu. I'm inviting you to support and watch for the Mr. United Continents Philippines finals on April 14. Thank you.